Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Max 3 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first, let's just open the box. This is the place for our phone here. The first thing which we can see that is the just charger brick, the original one with all of the specs. Also we can see here the USB Type-C cable. So let's check the another section, and here we can find the quick start guide, safety guides, and also here you can see the protective case, the silicone one. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.